Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I will be doing my summer makeup of 2021 today, and this is the look basically that I'm going to be creating. It's sort of a tutorial. You can get an idea of what I'm doing, and I've kept it to a very minimal makeup products. I'm not using a lot of products and I'm not doing a lot of makeup because I wanted to keep it minimal. But also I wanted a pop of color, which is why you see this blue, which is like very basic and easy. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done it. It would mean a lot to me. Also, do not forget to press the bell notification icon next to the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload videos. We are very close to reaching 1000 subscribers, so please do subscribe to my channel and help me reach 1000 super soon. Now let's get into the video. Alright, so this is my bare face like you can see, and we're gonna start by prepping up our skin because that is very important, especially in summer. You think that you don't want to load your face with a lot of things, but honestly, if you're going to do makeup, you have to prep up your skin. Okay, so I'm gonna start with aloe vera gel. That's gonna be my first thing that I'm gonna apply on my face. Next, I'm going to move to my moisturizer, and for the moisturizer, I'm going to use the one by Biotique. So this is Biotique Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer for all skin types. I've been using this for a while now and I think it's quite decent. Next, I will move to a sunscreen because hello, it's summers, but anyway, sunscreen you should apply irrespective of the weather, and I'm going to use the one by La Shield. So this is La Shield Sunscreen Gel SPF 40, and I have done a whole review on this. If you want to check it out, I'm going to put the link in the description box below. Okay, now my skin feels a little better, and I'm just going to add a little bit of facial oil just on the high points because I want that dewy, glowy look, and I'm not going to go with a lot of highlighter because I feel summers should be light, especially if you're going out in the daytime. It shouldn't be stark highlighted face. So yeah, little bit of facial oil. I'm going to use the one by Ilana. This is Ilana Clarifying Skin Serum, although this is a lot thicker than a serum. I really love this product. I've bought this twice and I think I'm going to definitely buy it the third time as well. I've also done a review on this one, so if you want to check it out, I'm going to put the link in the description box. This is where my skin prep comes to an end, and I'm going to move to the first step that is very important for me. So I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows. My eyebrows at this stage look really fine and decent. I will move on now and I'm going to go ahead with my base. For the base makeup, now you have your options. You can either go ahead with a BB cream or a foundation. For me, I'm going to pick a foundation for now because I have some marks and I want a little bit of coverage. So foundation it is. This is L'Oreal True Matte Super Blendable Foundation. Absolutely love it. I think it has the best coverage of all the foundations that I have. Just gonna take a little bit of that foundation. So I'm gonna use this sponge which is by PAC Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna blend my foundation. Don't forget to go on your ears and also some on your neck if you feel that your neck needs a little bit of coverage. So the foundation is done. I'm not going to go with the concealer because I really want to keep it minimal, and I personally feel that this is good for me. I don't really need a concealer. You know, you can actually use a concealer if you really need it, and you can set it up really nicely. Next, I'm going to take my compact powder on the same sponge and I will set my face really nicely. I think this is very important. You know, you can either take a translucent powder also to set your face, but do not forget to actually set your face a little bit. I will definitely include bronzing this time because I feel summers and bronzing They just go hand in hand, right? So I will bronze my face a little bit, not harshly, but like just a little bit. For bronzing, I will be using this kind of a brush, which is slightly angular and a very easy to use brush for bronzing. For blush, this is going to be the color. I'm going to keep it on the peachy side. I don't really want it to look absolutely pink. And I also wanted to blend with the bronzer or the bronzing shade. Okay, I'm also going to slightly contour my nose, but very, very slightly. So for the eyes, I will first take the same brush, which is this angular brush. I will pick up the same shade that I picked up for bronzing, and I will just go on the entire eye with this. So that's it. Did you see how light it is? And that's what I will keep it to. Next, I want a little pop of color, and for that I will actually be using NYX Professional Makeup Ultimate Shadow Palette. So this is their Brights palette. Really love this, and I will be using the blue shade particularly because I feel the blue is a very cooler color, and in summers you don't want very heavy eyes. So yeah, I'm going to keep it to blue. And what I'm going to do is basically I will create a wing sort of a thing. This is what I'm going to do for my eyes. Super basic blue wing liner. If you have a blue liner, you can actually use that, but I wanted a little smoky effect, and so I used the eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna literally leave my eyes, no colors anymore. And I'm gonna do a really nice mascara because I feel that really opens up the eyes, and that is needed. I will simply highlight my inner corners because I feel that is important. That's a part of the eye look. Also, I will be highlighting my brow bone a little bit. For the lips, I'm going to use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is in the shade Montreal. Love the shade. Just going to tone it down a little bit using the MUA Luxe Velvet Lip Lacquer. This is in the shade Poise, and I love this thing. That's pretty much it for the summer look. I really like it. It's very minimal, yet it is something. I will also use a makeup fixer now because we need to fix our makeup.